What's up, guys? It's Mike, the Smokin Monkey, and we're back here with another vlog for you guys. And I've got some new parts to put on today, as you guys can see, straight from Suzuki. And you guys probably already know what I got if you read the title. It is the meter visor, and this guy goes on right there, just like that. And I got the white one because it only comes in white or red here in Canada if you want to buy it from Suzuki Canada. And I think the white ties in nice with the tail and the stripe down the tank, so it doesn't look too bad. You can get a black one, however that is only from Japan and I didn't want to wait for the shipping. So you've got two longer screws because this piece stays in place, and some spacers. So let me slap this thing on real quick for you guys, and then we'll get it on the road and test it. And that's it, guys. Doesn't look too bad. Two screws, really quick install. As you guys can see, it covers about I'd say a good 5 inches on the inside here. And I might be able to get away with putting on an actual windscreen after for you guys, so I can do the testing without even taking this off, because it fits so flush with the bike. You actually don't remove anything, you just add it on. So let's get out on the road. Let's go for a ride. I'm going to go for a pretty decent ride, and then I'll give you guys my initial thoughts of what I think of this thing. I do apologize to you guys about the cloudy day, but it is a good day to be testing this good little guy because it is windy. And so far so good. I've been out here for about 20 minutes. I got some gas and I'm starting to ride out to go on a nice long loop, and we'll see exactly what's happening. But right away off the bat, I can tell you that at low speeds, anything below, I'd say 30 miles per hour or 50 kilometers per hour, you're not really going to notice the difference. Once you start going anything above 80, so I'd say like closer to 45, 50 miles per hour, then you're going to start to feel it. And it's actually surprising how much of a difference it makes. You can actually feel it. I was sticking my hand up a minute ago to feel where the airflow would be, and you could feel it. It literally just rides right over you. It pushes the wind and creates kind of like a dead zone where it's not hitting you. It's just going right over you, and it's really nice. So you can feel it right there, like literally right above my helmet. It kind of streamlines with the helmet, I guess. The helmet helps the airflow right over you, instead of you getting all of that wind right in the chest, because that was the main thing that I was getting. And it is a naked bike, so what do you expect? It's going to be windy, and I don't mind that. I actually kind of enjoy it. It's not something that discourages me or makes me want to get a windscreen. But this is something that I was looking at. It kind of looked nice. I thought it was something different. It wasn't really a full windscreen, because I don't like the look of a full windscreen. I think this kind of gives it more of a sportier look. I'll show you guys what I mean. I'm going to pull over in a minute, and I'll give you guys a little bit better of a view. Hopefully I can find a spot where it's not too dark, because yeah, it's pretty dark today. And yeah, let's keep riding for a little bit, and once I pull over, I'll give you guys my full thoughts. Well, here we are, guys, and managed to find somewhat of a decent place to pull over. You can see it's kind of nice over there. But what we're looking at is the new meter visor, and this is an OEM piece directly from Suzuki. Now, when you look at it from the side profile of the bike looks kind of nice. It gives it a sweeping kind of like a sport bike kind of nose to it without having a full fairing nose, if you know what I'm trying to say. It gives it a nice swept back kind of look. I feel that the white, it doesn't look too bad actually. Once I've got it on there, it's actually looking better than I thought it would. It ties in quite nice with the stripe. When you're riding it, you can see it because you've got the stripe here along with the visor. And from the side profile, you've got some white over here, you've got some white on this side, and the stripe. So I think it ties in pretty well. I was thinking about painting it black. That's not going to be hard to do, but like I mentioned to you guys, if you do want a black one, they do make them in black. I don't remember the exact website. I'll try to put the link in the description for you guys. But you can buy these straight from Suzuki in almost any continent. And if you want the black ones, they ship them from Japan from a third party supplier. But they look pretty much the same. It's a piece of plastic. Like, I'm sure that you're not going to know if it's original or not. And you might even save yourself some money. I think that one was $50 cheaper than what this one was. And this thing was not cheap. It was about $180 here in Canada. And I know that's a lot for a little piece of plastic, but it is what it is, right, guys? And think of it this way: better for me to buy it and try it out than for you guys to buy it and not like it and waste your money. So I'm going to give you guys a more comprehensive review. So far, I think I like the looks. Let me know what you guys think. Yeah, drop a line in the comments. And I will be testing this against an actual windscreen. I'm going to get the Givy. I'm not sure the model name of it, but it attaches onto the forks and it comes up about yay high. So we're going to see this compared to the Givy, go on a few rides, and hopefully you guys will know what you want for your bike. But as far as how it works, it actually does protect you against the wind a bit. The way that it's angled, it actually directs the wind to about, I'd say, right over your head. Because while I was riding, I put my hand out and I could feel the wind stream right where it would start, and it was just right where my head would be. So for me, it works out really well. It actually helps. Like I was mentioning earlier, while I was riding, it doesn't really do much when you're going below a certain speed. So anything in city traffic, you're not going to notice it. But once you're on the highway or you're out in the countryside, it's definitely something that you'll notice and you'll feel. But I'm going to get back to you guys after I do a couple rides with it, some longer rides with it, something out in the sun hopefully, and we'll go from there. I'll let you guys know. Maybe if it's a piece of shit, we'll take it off and we'll go back to the stock look. But for now, let's get back on the bike, let's ride some more, and hopefully we don't get rained on. But one thing that I didn't mention while I was stopped is, oddly enough, it actually makes me feel like the handling on the bike is a little bit better. Not at low speeds, but if you're going on the road and you're traveling with traffic and you go to change lanes or even dodge a pothole or something like that, I felt like it was more precise. Now, it would make sense because the bike is a little bit more aerodynamic. I don't know about how much, probably not much, but since the screen is right next to my handlebars, I guess it would make sense that less wind pressure would give me a little bit better handling, because there's not much pushing on the handlebars, right? So that being said, I like this thing so far. I don't have any complaints. It doesn't really vibrate, it doesn't rattle. I didn't do anything special other than what it said in the instructions. So yeah, I'm gonna give you guys a better comprehensive review when I get to go out in the sun and go for a longer ride, because today I've been riding around with the screen for about an hour and a half, so I can tell you guys what it's like in the city, but I want to actually get out into the countryside, get on a nice long ride, and tell you guys exactly what I think. So the next video I'll be making is going to be exactly that, so look out for that one, guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comments section, if this is a nice mod or an ugly mod, if you guys like the white color of it. And I like it just because it keeps the naked look of the bike. You don't really want too much fairings or too many pieces covering up the body or anything like that, because it's a naked bike, so why would you get a windscreen or anything like that? That's why I kind of like this. It kind of reminds me of like a dirt bike number plate, something like that, but it's a little bit more sporty, I guess you could call it. But thanks for watching today, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and leave me a like and a comment. Please don't forget to subscribe, because I will be making much more videos to come, and hopefully I'll see you guys there with me. So until next time, ride safe out there, guys, and peace.